So hello everyone, I am Monika from IELTS 9. If you really want to improve your IELTS band scores in reading specifically and in 2026, do practice with me because in next 6 to 7 months in 2026, definitely this pen paper exam is going to remove from India, all over India. But it depends upon the situation. But here I am going to provide you computer based reading practice with me. Whenever I am finding my answer, you can pause the video, because on the left side I am showing you reading passage and on the right side I am showing you question statements. Okay, but here point here is how to improve IELTS reading. So definitely first try to understand each and every question. Okay, each and every question you should try to understand what kind of strategies you should follow it, whether you should adopt any strategy from any other teacher, that doesn't matter, but you should know it. And if you think in 2026 IELTS test, if you follow only keyword strategy, that is not going to help you. I'm telling you, both strategy you need to follow. Along with keywords, you need to understand little bit wherever you are getting the keywords in the reading passage. Okay, two things you should always remember. And of course, time management is there. Do not spend too much time on one question. I'm telling you, you can leave the question and later on you can come back again to that question. Okay, so let's start this reading. That reading name is The Discovery of Slowness. You can see this is reading passage 3. Of course, questions I have not changed the sequence according to 27 to 40 number, but this is sure this is reading passage number 3. So I have tried to understand the meaning of this reading title. So I will not try to read the reading passage first. No, this is a wastage of time. So I will look at the questions. First question is, they are saying which paragraph contains the following information. So this question is coming again and again. So you can say this is hot questions in IELTS reading. Last 6 months I am noticing that this question is coming in every reading test. Okay, you can do more practice. So first is which section contains the following information. Second is complete the summary. Yes, this is also this is also recent trend in IELTS reading, this kind of fill in the blanks with the help of keyword. With the help of keywords they have already given. So in answer sheet we will not be reading full answer. We will write only alphabets. Suppose question number 7 answer is A. So in answer sheet in front of 7 number question we will write only A alphabet, not exploration. Okay, so this is also a difficult kind of fill in the blanks. So next is multiple choice questions. Multiple choice questions, fill in the blanks with help box. Okay, we need to find the paraphrasing of the actual fill in the blanks answer. And of course, which paragraph contains the following information. So point here is which question you are going to start first. Definitely I will start my reading passage from first type of question. So why first type of question? Because with the help of these 6 questions we can go through full passage. When we will be reading each paragraph, we will underline the things, we will circle the things. Okay, means we will be having main idea what they were discussing in this paragraph. So when we will be reaching to second and third type of question, we are already aware where these kinds of things were discussed in which paragraph. Okay, so that's the benefit of doing first type of question first. So which paragraph contains the following information. So this video can be longer, but that doesn't matter. You need to do it thoroughly with me. Okay, so first they are saying I am trying to understand the instructions. Instructions are really important. Which paragraph contains the following information. So paragraph are these and information, these are the information, question number 1 to 6. So write the correct letter A to H in boxes 1 to 6 on your answer sheet. So A to H. So these are the paragraph names. Okay. So NB is given. You may use any letter more than once. So what does it mean? It means alphabet names. You can use it twice. Suppose two information from like third question information and fourth question information. It is in they are in one paragraph A number. So in front of third number and A fourth number question we will be writing AA. Okay, so this mean that. So let's read all the information first and then we will go to paragraph. So what was the, okay, let me take my pen. So okay, pen I have taken. I will read all the questions and I will try to understand its meaning, definitely with one or two keywords in each question. What was Sir John Franklin occupation before? Occupation means they are asking you the profession before he went on a career of Arctic exploration. So initial occupation they are asking. So it might be in first or second paragraph, I am sure. A story of John Franklin reacted strangely when he met bullies by other children. Okay. So important word here is bullies by other children. Okay. Reasons for the popularity of book The Discovery of Slowness. So they are asking reasons for the popularity of this slowness of Discovery of Slowness. So when I am reading it, I am so meaning are automatically coming into my mind. Fourth number, a depiction that Stan Nedoli's biography. Stan Nedoli's, so this person name or biography on John Franklin is not much based on facts. So they are saying, so this person's biography on John Franklin, it is not based on facts, means some not based on facts means it may not be true, maybe some imagination he had used. So fifth number, the particular career Sir John Franklin took after his expedition was unmatched before. The particular career Sir John Franklin took after his expedition was unmatched before. Something different kind of career they may be talking, that was unmatched. Okay, what is the central scheme and environment conveyed by the book of Discovery of? What is the central scheme? Means central idea and environment conveyed by this book. Okay, now I have understood. Let's read it. John Franklin was the most famous finisher of the Victorian era. He joined the Navy as a midshipman at the age of 14 and fought in the battles of Copenhagen. This when peace with the French broke out, he turned his attention and particular to solve the northwest. They are talking about John Franklin and he was most famous this. He joined the Navy as a midshipman at the age of 14. So if you can understand this line, it means before his actual career, he joined the Navy as a midshipman. So somewhere they were talking about before he went on a career of Arctic exploration. So what was John Franklin's occupation, profession before he went? So I think they are talking about this thing only. But let's read it a little bit. When peace with the French broke out, he turned his attention to, in particular, to solve this of the Northwest Passage, the mythical clear water route which linked the Atlantic and Pacific Ocean above the northern. The first expedition. Okay, yes, now it is clear. The first expedition Franklin led to the Arctic was an overland journey. Okay, so before that they were talking. Earlier he joined the Navy as a midshipman. So A will come with definitely question number 1. Next paragraph. So question paragraph number B. There followed a career as a travel writer. Okay, and saloon goer. The man who ate his boots with was Franklin's. So there first he was naval middle ship boy, and then he adopted Arctic voyager and all. So and then there followed a career. So career they are talking as a travel writer and saloon goer. So and a second long Arctic expedition and a controversial spell as governor of this thing. So somewhere they were talking about So when other children bullies is not there, reasons for the popularity of the book depict. Okay, particular career Sir John took after his expedition was unmatched before. So this I can, because in earlier paragraph, a paragraph also they were talking when he was 14 years, then he had joined as a navy and all. Now after here they are talking about some voyage of architect. Again they are explaining, writer is explaining there followed a career as a travel writer and a saloon goer. It means the particular career Sir John Franklin took after his expedition was unmatched before. This also we can select with B number. Okay, so this is B. Sorry, it is not looking like that. Okay, let's go to C number paragraph. Let me shift the C number paragraph. So let's read C number paragraph. In his personal correspondence, okay, and in his published memoirs, Franklin comes across as a man dedicated to the external duties of war and exploration, who kept introspection and self-analysis to a minimum. So in his personal correspondence published, Franklin comes across as a man dedicated to the external duties of war and all. Okay, his blandness makes him an amenable, malleable subject for a novelist, and Stan Nadoli has taken full advantage. So Stan Nadoli, in this question they are talking, has taken full advantage of this license. Most important, he has endowed his John Franklin with a defining character trait for which there is no historical evidence. It means fact. Yes, a depiction that Stan Nadoli's biography on John Franklin is not much based on facts. Here it is saying for which there is no historical evidence. Whatever this person Stan Nadoli has written for John Franklin, here they are saying for which there is no historical evidence. It means his explanation in book is not much based on fact. So here fourth number will come with C number. Let's move to D number paragraph. See, with little bit reading, thoroughly reading with little bit, some lines only, not full paragraph. I am not reading and I am getting the answers. You can also get it. So fourth number paragraph, slowness influences not only Franklin's behavior but also his vision, his thought and his speech. The opening scene of Discovery of Slowness by Stan depicts Franklin as a young boy playing catch badly because his reaction time is too slow. Despite the bullying of his peers, Franklin resolves not to fall into their way of doing it. Okay, so here the opening scene, Franklin as a young boy playing catch badly because his time reaction is too slow. Despite the bullying of his, Franklin resolved not to fall step. For Nadoli, fascinated the architect stems from his desire to find an environment suited to environment related reasons for popularity. No, this they are not explaining like that. Fourth we have done. Environment word is there. What is the central scheme and environment conveyed by the book? Central scheme. The opening scene of the Discovery depicts, okay, central scheme, it is not explained, but yes, environment. Franklin's fascinated with the architect stems from his desire to find an environment. No, I think word, if you match word to word, then answer can be wrong. So here I can make out peers word is there. So peers is by other children. So bullies, yeah, bully is also there. Yes, so bullying of his peers. So yes, this will match with D number. A story John Franklin reacted strangely when he met bullies by other children. So despite the bullying of his peers. So this will come with D number. Now E number paragraph. Let me scroll the paragraph full. So E number paragraph, let's read it. It describes Franklin. Okay, just a minute. So I will make this video in parts actually. Just a minute. Let me shift my... So he described Franklin as a boy dreaming of the open water and the time without hours and days which exist in far north. Arctic, a place where nobody would find him so slow. Ice is a slow mover. ICE demands a corresponding patience from those who venture. The explorers who have thrived at high altitude and high altitude usually been great speed. They have tended instead to demonstrate unusual self-possession, considerably capacity for boredom, talent. Okay, nothing is described about what we have left. Popularity of book we need to find, and what is the central scheme. Okay, let's read F paragraph also. I don't think so they are talking about anything in E paragraph. And you can subscribe and you can like my video also. So subscribe my channel also if you want. Okay, F number paragraph we can always read. These were all qualities which the historical Franklin possessed in abundance, so Nedoli's concentration, exaggeration of them isn't reasonable. Adult, his slowness of thought means that he is unable to speak fluently. So reasons for popularity of books. So nothing, they have not described any. Even book name is also not there given in this paragraph. Let's move to H number paragraph. So we need to find discovery of slowness. Discovery of slowness. Nothing they have explained like that in F paragraph also. So let's move to H number paragraph. Yes, H number paragraph is G number paragraph is also there. H is also there. Since it was first published in Germany, 1883, discovery of slowness. Yes, they have started talking about discovery of slowness. Has sold more than 1 million copies and been translated into 13 languages. It has been named one of the German literature's 20 contemporary classics and has been a manual and by European pressure groups and institutions representing causes and this. Reasons for the popularity of the book, The Discovery of Slowness. Okay, reasons. It was, so they have given like that it had sold more than 1 million copies and translated. It has been named this, but reason kind of thing in institutions representing causes such as development. Okay, has been named one of the German literature's class. It has been as a manual and by European pressure groups. Okay, let's read H also. The various groups that have taken up the novel have one thing in common: a dislike of the high-speed culture of this thing. So see this, I am not getting this answer reasons for. So if you ask me, are these a reason? As a manual and by European pressure groups, institutions representing causes as diverse. So reasons for popularity of this book, I'm not convinced that this paragraph is saying. That's why I am reading H number. The various groups that have taken up the novel have one thing in common: a dislike of the high-speed culture. Neloni's Franklin appeals to them because of he is immune to the compulsion of to be constantly occupied. So if you ask me, these lines are saying something, you can read it. Nedolinis Franklin appeals to them because he is immune to the compulsion. Franklin appeals to them, these persons, various groups, because he is immune to the compulsion to be constantly occupied and to the idea that someone was better if he could do the same thing fast. Several German churches have used him in their symposia and focus groups as an example of peacefulness, piety and self-confidence. A center scheme is here. Let's read it here. And if you ask me, up to here in this line, they are talking about reasons for popularity of the book. So here I will mark H only. Okay, and I think for 6th question also they are talking about center scheme, a march of slowness or of slow inspired by the novel environment. Okay, Nedoloni has appeared as a guest speaker for Rio, which aims to reconcile management principles with ideas of environmental sustainability. Both the things I have got in 6th number paragraph. So in next video I will be doing fill in the blanks and multiple choice question. Thank you so much in advance.